A new chapter is rising at Spotify Camp Nou. What once looked like pure framework is now clearly taking shape. The corner slats are close to completion. The fourth radial beam has locked into position, and sandwich panels are rapidly defining the stadium's exterior character. With each passing week, the progress is becoming more visible and more impressive. But this video isn't just about steel and panels. We'll also take a look at how the future interior will feel. Imagine the pitch surrounded by thousands of fans, the stands alive with color and energy. Visualize supporters walking up the stairways toward the upper tiers, sunlight pouring through the modern façade, the atmosphere building before kickoff. You're not just watching construction anymore, you're witnessing the rebirth of an icon. So let's get straight into the construction update. This corner is practically finished. 2 full sectors of slats are now installed, with only a small gap remaining on the right side, roughly a handful of panels left to close the section completely. Lifting platforms are active, crews are reviewing, tightening, and securing the slats to ensure everything is perfectly aligned and reinforced, meaning completion here is imminent before moving fully into the next prepared sector. On the lateral facade, the fourth radial beam is now officially in place, marking another key structural milestone. A green truck has delivered additional slats, while crews focus on installing sandwich panels on the staircase section. The process requires coordination, lifting platforms, and multiple workers guiding each panel into position. It's precise work, even if it looks simple from a distance. Up on the front overhang, workers are drilling and securing elements along the edge structure. Activity remains consistent in this upper band. Wind conditions are strong, but work continues despite the gusts. In the central lateral section, prefabricated staircase zones show uneven progress, the left side more advanced than the right. No new compression ring elements are visible yet, but stored slats remain ready for deployment when required. The massive structural pieces delivered last week have already been installed, and attention now shifts toward finishing integration rather than heavy lifting. Returning to the corner, bracket installations for slat supports have resumed after a pause. Crews are cutting, adjusting, and fitting metal components into place. Interior activity is noticeable, with multiple workers operating across levels. This area is clearly transitioning into its next facade phase. In the south goal sector, workers are sealing joints near the hollow core slabs. A metal extension now runs along the front of the main beam toward the corner. Slat supports are largely in place, though some anchors still need completion. Interior activity remains steady behind the facade. Sandwich panel installation is moving quickly. Since the weekend, front coverage has increased significantly and now approaches the first overhang. Staircases are being enclosed, and only small gaps remain on the lateral side. The stadium's exterior identity is becoming more defined with each passing day. Support structures are being painted and checked for alignment ahead of slat placement. Crews are also installing tension cables between anchor points in lower sections. With nearby sectors already completed, this area appears ready to follow next. In the Tribune zone, new facade glass panels have arrived and are ready for installation, signaling continued exterior finishing. Technical piping remains visible across the section, showing systems integration is ongoing. A concrete pump is active again in the upper tribune. Elevator cores are progressing well, with crews finalizing internal work. Scaffolding removal and sandwich panel installation here could be next. At the store diamond, upper glass panels above the doors are still pending. However, ventilation duct components and structural materials are being delivered and organized. The concrete poured last week has fully set, giving the area a more finished appearance. Material buildup suggests facade installation could accelerate soon. Prefabricated seating installation is ongoing, but gradually nearing its later stages. If you're enjoying this video, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing Camp Nou updates.